All right, big breaking news now coming in. The Narcotics Control Bureau is conducting raids in Mumbai, in Goa. This is in connection with the alleged drug link investigation in which, remember now, Riya Chakrabarti and Shoaib Chakrabarti have been already taken into arrest. So that's the big news coming in. There are raids taking place in Mumbai and in Goa. Goa also likely, remember, one of the individuals by the name of Gaurav Arya, a hotelier, was also staying there and his name had cropped up in some of the WhatsApp chats. While in Mumbai, they are looking for possible suspected peddlers. There could be stars, producers, people involved with the film industry in Mumbai also could be facing some arrests. So multiple raids are taking place, Mumbai and Goa. Vidya is in the city and giving us all the latest. What precisely is the reason in Mumbai, Vidya, that there are multiple raids suddenly taking place?
Hello.
Yes, Vidya, go ahead. I can hear you.
Could you repeat your question, please?
Yes, Vidya, why precisely is the reason these multiple raids are suddenly taking place? Likely has some names cropped up?
Well, there are a few names that have cropped up in the last few days that we have known that the investigating agencies had looked into these names earlier, but compared to the fact that earlier we had seen the case being concentrated in one particular area. But as the agency had been stating that there would be many more names coming out, with those number of names coming out, these number of raids have started increase, and according to the agencies, there will be more increase in this particular raids.
All right, Vidya, keep tracking all the latest. Multiple raids are taking place. Who could be possibly next on the radar of the Narcotics Bureau? Vidya, if you're still there, what we possibly want to understand is that with this investigation and raids that are taking place, can we now at least suspect that the drug link is going to become immense and massive compared to perhaps how the death investigation of the late actor is also being probed? So this seems to be a new dimension now.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.